Hello, I'm Mark Anthony Mapili, uh, from CIT 0310302A, BSCPE, and here is my login form. So as you can see, ito yung architecture ng code natin, login form natin. So itong check icon UI na to, as you can see, is my little UI helpers. More on that later on, and form 1, form 2, form 3. Form 1 being the login dialog, and form 2 being yung lockout dialog natin. And as for the form 3, ito yung shopping list natin. Yung ano ba tawag dito? Basta yun. And as of course, the main method. Sa main method, here we can run everything. So as soon as you run the main method, you will be prompted to the form 1, which is ang ating login window. Anyway, so of course, as usual, admin. I still haven't changed that yet. Anyways, may dagdag nga pala akong action key listener. So if we can just like press enter, our cursor will just teleport to the password boxes na. So you can just like type your password all the way through, and yeah, so you can just press enter, and kahit hindi mo na pindutin yung login button, and you will be prompted. Pero siguro for now, i-showcase ko muna yung aking dinagdag na attempt counter. So let's say, intentionally nating mali yung password. Let's say 0. And magpapakita yung attempts lang. So we only have like 3 attempts. Anyway, so let's say, sige, lock out natin yung sarili natin. So ito yung form 2 natin, which is yung lockout dialog. As you can see, ito yung sinasabi kong UI helpers natin. Yung ginamit nating button. Yan, ginawa ko na ng flat instead of yung classic na medyo 3D depth na default ng Java swinging. So, yan. Ayun lang naman ang use ng UI, UX natin. Anyways, let's go retry that again. This time, tama na. User, and ating password is 1234. We can just press enter or just press the login button for this na. Oh shit. Actually, user, my bad. Admin pala. Yan. Tapos 1234. Yan. Anyways, now we are prompted sa form 3 natin, which is ang ating shopping list, I think, or ang ating order form pala. So as you can see, may binago lang ako sa checkboxes ng radio button. Sa radio button natin. As you can see, gumamit ako dito ng graphics 2D. It's kinda medyo advanced siya, pero ayun nga, lang siya, drawing lang siya basically. And then basic lang 'to, or lower graphics lang na Pero ayan, sa team kong minimalist or parang ganito lang kasimple na UI, and I attain it due to, and na-apply ko na siya dito sa pizza. As you can see, meron din tayo dito sa sa checkboxes natin. And if napapansin niyo, parang medyo consistent yung ating fonts. Dahil gumamit ako ng, forgot what do you call that? Gumamit ako ng, what do you call that? UI manager, that's how. Para siyang consistent na font. My bad for the pause. Anyways, nandito na tayo. As you can see, we can just like unpress or unclick if wala pa tayong mapipili, or parang ayaw mo lang mamili. You can just unclick, and yun, wala siyang makukuha dito. Anyways, let's see if we want a donut. We have like 4 options right here. Either glaze, sprinkles, or cream, chocolate. And so we can only like choose one option. And then yun, pwede na tayo maglagay ng kahit anong add-ons na gusto mo. So hindi ka limited naman dito sa isa. You can like choose 1 to 4, whatever you like. So let's say pindot tayo ng 4 donut. Pwede natin submit. Then ito ang receipt window natin. So yan. ang ating food na napili is donut and ang add-ons natin is ang lahat. This sprinkles, cream, and chocolate. Pwede naman tayong ano, if let's say maarte ka or ma-allergy ka, you just press donut and then add-ons na, di ba? Ayan. Ayan lang basically ang ating login form. Hopefully may natutunan kayo. And yeah, ito yung ating overview ng ating code. And I think that's all it. Thank you for watching.